how to change caption or subtitle language on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. After that, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. And from here, we then tap on caption preference. Now go down and tap on more options. Then tap on language. From the list of languages, you can select a language that you would like to use. So here is all the available language. So select a language. Now to say that not all apps support these settings. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.